Brett Hofstad here. Monday, January 17th, 2022. Big day after about 2 years of effort and vision and imagination and work with Steve Tanaka, my illustrator, and lots of other people. Excited that the Kickstarter backers now, I appreciate your support too. We have all the copies for you of the book Goodnight Moon Base. So let's open them up, see what we find. First, this came earlier. I'll just show you briefly. Here's some notepads. Goodnight Moon Base people. And here's some kids' tattoos. You'll be getting those too. Alright. So these are over 100 copies each of the paperback and the hardcover. Let's see what box number 1 has. Packaging. Alright, it's a hardcover. There we go. I think it looks great. Hope you do too. There's a nice back cover. And we'll open it up. This feels great. Feels like a real book. And here's some nice illustrations. That's beautiful. Let's see, so that's a hardcover. Let's try and find the paperback. And then we'll start the work of making out some packages to everybody. Oh, here's more hardcovers. There we go. Looks nice. Some of these should be the paperback. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. How about more hardcovers? There we go. They're popular. They will last a lot longer, I'm sure. But one of these should have the paperback. Holy cow. Here we go. Alright. Here's a paperback. Also very nice. 8 by 8 inches. Nice square book. Nice cover. Here's some nice illustrations. Nice bold colors. The proof books for these were awesome with black print on both sides. Still nice paper. Heavyweight paper. Alright, well thanks everyone again. If you're part of the Kickstarter campaign, you'll be getting yours soon. And then if anyone else wants them for themselves, look on Amazon or other bookstores, or go to my website, goodnightmoonbase.com. Thanks a lot.